Want to access your notes using Gemini on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra? Let me show you how to enable Samsung Notes. First, open the Gemini app on your Samsung device. On the main screen, tap your profile picture in the top right corner. This will open your account menu. Tap Connected Apps. Now, scroll down and find Samsung Notes. You'll see a switch next to it. If the switch is gray, it means Samsung Notes is disabled. Just tap the switch to enable it. The switch will turn blue. This means Samsung Notes is now enabled. Unlike other apps, there is no connect screen here. You can enable or disable it instantly with the switch. If the switch is already blue, tap it again to disable. The switch will turn gray, and Gemini will no longer access your notes. And that's how to enable or disable Samsung Notes in Gemini on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra.